Hey guys, welcome to my channel Decode with Shekhar. Today let's talk about how can you directly translate within Google Sheets. So let's start by translating hi, how are you? Now let's say we want to translate it to Spanish. We'll use this function which is called Google Translate. We'll write the text that needs to be translated, which is in the cell B3, the source language, which is English, and the target language, which is Spanish. Now let us say we want to translate the same thing to French. We'll again use the same function, Google Translate. Go to cell B3, which is the text we want to translate. The source language again is English, and the target language now would be French, which is FR. Now you can just change this text to anything. Let us say, what is your name? And the values will get updated over here. So with this simple function, you can directly translate any text within Google Sheets. And yes, before we go, do check out the description box below to see the codes for some of the most popular languages. So stay tuned and hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and do subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos.